New day, new week here in the Philippines. And it's a lovely day too. 9:30 in the morning and the sun is shining. I think it's the third week of the outside bathroom construction, but for some reason the construction has halted again. I don't know if the guy is doing this is coming today, or they need to let the cement cure or something. I don't know. We will see. There's one cat. We call that one Garfield because he eats and eats and eats all the time. Yeah. Did a couple of runs to the different schools, to Galas Elementary School and to Hope Christian School or whatever, the Dipolog Hope Christian School, I don't know what it's called, with the trusted speed monster, and it's now tucked away for next time it's going to be used. Mela is there, happy as pig in shit. Diva is there, happy as pig in shit. Yeah, hey guys. The chickens are, well, we have 5 now. 2 of them are outside. They are getting more and more familiar with the place, so they walk around and they're more active. And there's 3 guys in there. No eggs yet. The cats are happy because since the construction guys hasn't used all the gravel and sand yet, they have the biggest sandbox they'll ever have. So that's nice for them. There you go, good Phil. She is making room for more food. That's good. So I see they have done some electrical work here from the ceiling down there. Maybe they're gonna put up some lights in here, because maybe the plan is to put up a couple of walls, I guess. I put that light up there. Or I didn't do it, I got the guy to do it for me. So, since they are familiar with electricity and I'm not, I need to get them to reconnect my my CCTV camera up there. I guess it's the cable. I have changed the camera a couple of times, so I know it's not the camera, but I think it's the power source. So the cord that is connected somewhere in there, going back there, is not doing its job. But I guess I have to wait until there is people here to that can play with electricity without getting electrocuted, and I'm not gonna be the one to do that. I see they brought a commode, a water closet, Calidad Quality Assistance, model 66665. That's gonna be a nice shitter to enjoy.
With his hat and boots of leather, he's the Lone Ranger. He's the cowboy man, so brave and bold, with his heart of gold, he'll never fold. He roams wild with a 6-shooter by his side, the cowboy man who never hides. With his lasso he'll round 'em up, no count and he can't disrupt from sunrise until the moon's high. He'll keep on riding, never asking why. He's the cowboy man who never hides.
Afternoon, rain started again. What? Yeah, Ming Ming is there.
And the other one is there.
Where?
There.
Oh.
Their eyes like that.
Sleeping?
They just close their eyes.
Oh, they close their eyes, so maybe they're sleeping.
Yeah. And he's like this. And he's waiting the food like that. He's sitting like that.
It'll clear up in a
And she wakes up and then
little while. It's not so dark. This is normal. Around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
I think maybe we'll sit down like this when they're waiting like that.
Probably, yeah.
They're gonna wake up.
I will give. It will stop in about in a few minutes, and that's, like I said, it's normal around here. Afternoon showers for a little while. Keeps the farmers happy, I guess. The construction of the outside bathroom has continued. And no construction today. I don't know why they didn't show up. Maybe this guy got fired too. Well, we'll see what happens with our outdoor bathroom in the next couple of days, I guess.
I think they picked
Let's get you a fudgy bar, huh?
let's go inside.
Fudgy bar. Ooh. Fudgy bar. There you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Yes.
I think there's gonna be walls coming up. So he's building this frame thing, and there's a frame for the door, and here's a door. Putting some white stuff on the walls. I might have to buy me one of these. Just for fun. Ooh. These maybe these are for concrete walls. Well, we'll see how it turns out.
And we have this like bricks. There's a holes there when they can put up there. They can put up there when they do that. When they go to the door.
Pretty level too.
Yeah, they put up there when they put the roof there. So they put the roof there when it's not raining. When it's not raining, it's full height there like that. And like this. And they